How to earn $40 per day online on Clickbank. This is a free strategy that you can implement very easily, and if you wanted to scale this up, then you can do it very easily. These are the things that I will cover in this video: best niches for this strategy, how to pick up the right products to promote, how to set up your simple funnel. You do not need to have any domain hosting and landing page builder, how to drive traffic to your affiliate link, earn money, and rinse and repeat this process. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. For earning a full-time income from home using my most recommended system, then I have placed the link in the description box. You can use that link to start your journey from today. So let's start it with today's video. The first step is best niches for the strategy. Let's move to our platform that is known as clickbank.com. Clickbank is the world's largest marketplace and you can join this for free. Just click on create account, and after creating your account, move to the affiliate marketplace. These are the things or categories that you are seeing on your left side of your screen. You can work on any category, but for the purpose of this strategy, I recommend you to either working on e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, parenting and families, and self-help. These are all great niches to start your journey. Let's suppose if I click on health and fitness. These are the products that are included in health and fitness category. Just sort those products using gravity. Gravity is the number which tells us that how many affiliates are making money after selling that product. This product has a gravity of 427 and it offers you an average affiliate commission of $34. So it means that over 400 affiliates are making money after selling this product. So we should choose a product that has an gravity of at least 20 and that offers you an average affiliate commission of at least $20. So our target is to reach $40 per day mark. So if you just chosen a product of $20 range, then all you need is to sell 2 products a day in order to reach that mark. If you've just chosen a product that are selling for $40, so you just need to sell 1 product a day in order to reach that mark. So just go through these products. As you can see that there are a lot of products that are selling for $60, $74, and much more than this. If you just move to other pages, then you can just click on second, third, fourth and other pages to see for products that are selling for more than $30, $40 or $50 per sale. Let's move to our next step. We have completed 2-step best niches for the strategy and how to pick the right products to promote. The third step is how to set up your simple funnel. Let's move to the google.com and search for Google Docs. Google Docs is a free online Google document sharing platform. Just open up that link. Click on go to Google Docs. Click on blank. Now you have opened up that Google document. Now let's move to our affiliate marketplace, and let's suppose if I open up that sales page or open up that landing page, Cinderella solution, and look at that whether its landing page is built professionally or it is just a garbage. So this is the landing page. There is only 2 to 3 lines and there is a video. So I just recommend you to the landing page should have 3 to 4 lines. It should be catchy lines and there are good images in order to catch the attention of your audience. So just I open up another product, diabetic remedy #1 mega offer. Simply 60-second habit that reversed my wife type 2 diabetes and melted 56 pounds of fat. And let's look at the image. So this is looking much better now. So all you need is to take a screenshot of this image. So just take a screenshot. Save it into your computer. Now open up that Google Docs. Click on Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. Add that image into your Google Docs. So just improve your formatting. You can also increase its size. Now take your affiliate link from the Clickbank. Click on Promote. If you have logged into your account, you can get your affiliate link. Here you will see your account nickname. Let's suppose my account nickname is that, and click on Generate Hop Link. Copy that link. You can shorten up that link using bit.ly. Bit.ly is a link shortening platform because the link you have taken from your Clickbank program, it is actually a very ugly looking link and people generally do not like to click on that link. So what you can do, just paste your link into the bit.ly.com and click on shorten. Now you have shortened your link. Copy that link and add that link into your image. So just click on the link, paste your link, apply. And after adding that link, add few lines like add your link into this text, click apply, and now you have created your landing page for free on Google Docs. These are your catchy lines, this is your image, and this is your link. So our task is to drive traffic to that link. So if anyone click on that link and move to the clickbank.com using our affiliate link and at the end buying up that product, we will earn affiliate commission. This commission will be added into the Clickbank account, and after a certain amount we can withdraw that amount from Clickbank via check or via wire transfer. So now let's move to our next step, that is how to drive traffic to your affiliate link. For the purpose of this video, I am suggesting you to visit YahooAnswers.com. Yahoo Answer is a product of Yahoo and everyone know about the Yahoo. If you just wanted to get the idea about how much people are visiting Yahoo Answer and they are looking for the information, then just move to the similarweb.com and search for answers.yahoo.com. So you can see that answers.yahoo.com, it has a global rank of 538, country rank of 592 in the United States, and you can see the traffic overview. This website is getting over 100 million traffic per month. So you can imagine the potential here. So just move to the yahooanswers.com and all you need is to create your account. But please keep in mind that Yahoo Answer has certain level. So these are the certain levels and points, use and earn points. So these are the criteria from where you can earn points and you can also lose points. So these are the levels. In order to answer, you must have at a level 3. That is by you have 1000 points and you can get these points by 15 questions and 120 answers. So all you need is to reach up that level. So once you reach up that level, this is where you can start making some decent income from YahooAnswers.com. It does worth your time and effort. So I highly recommend you to spend your time on Yahoo Answers by asking different questions and by replying to different questions, replying to different peoples. So just move to the yowanswers.com. Let's suppose if our product is related to the health, click on health. These are all health related topics and people have asked question here. And let's suppose if you search for diabetes in the Yahoo answers, as our product is related to the diabetic patient, so just search for the related questions, type 1 diabetes, who get diabetes. So after reading all these questionnaires, just open up the related question and answer that question, so that you can share your related affiliate link. I recommend you to share your link of that document page. So just take that link and shorten that link from the bit.ly. If you have already completed your level and rewards on the Yahoo, then you can easily share your link on the yowanswers.com. So once your answers get approved, then it gets read by the hundreds of people and you have a great chance to get traffic from yowanswers.com to your landing page. So once your answer gets read and it get clicked from the people, they will move to your landing page and there is a chance that they will click on that image or that text. So as soon as they clicked on that and once they move to your affiliate product or affiliate offer, this is your affiliate offer, there is a chance that those people will end up buying your offer, and once they end up buying your offer, you will earn affiliate commission which will be credited into your affiliate account. If you do not wanted to do it on your own, you can also take different services from the SEOclerks.com or Fiverr. Just move to the SEOclerks.com and there are a lot of people who are providing that service, and all they need is they can promote your answer into your answers. So once they share, like if I just take you different gigs here, promote your website in 10 Yahoo answers with clickable link for $5. So with $5, they will share your 10 Yahoo answers that include your clickable link with different in the Yahoo answers. So once they shares, definitely it will be viewed by a lot of people, and once it gets viewed, there is a chance that those people will click on that link and they will move to your landing page, and once they move to the landing page, there is a chance that you will earn affiliate commission. So this is the strategy for today's video. If you just do it again and again and scale it up, definitely you can reach very quickly on a $40 per day basis. But it takes time. You need to put your effort and you need to be patient in order to get results. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to click the subscribe and like button. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.